Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Well, now my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to cover a story, my people, Zine, and based on the fact why I'm going to cover this story right now, people, based on an article that I just saw released recently, people, is that an incident had occurred pertaining to the person where this article is really talking about, people. I did cover the gruesome and brutal incident that this individual, who is now in lockup over in US, people, you understand, did commit one of the most gruesome death in Jamaica. And I did cover the story, people, and you know what I mean, he managed to come to boom and find them way in the US and find them way in a problem over there in the US, people, and thing. But no, people, based on the fact where this individual comes to boom and make a post on social media and got everybody down in the Negril side, down in the Westmoreland side, people worried that, look, you know, one of the most cruelest and deadliest thing is on his way to Jamaica. Well, my viewers and subscribers, great news release is that, you know, he is not on the way right now to Jamaica. But he make a post say, look, you know, he might come soon. But when them do check the statistics and link up over USA and link up prison authority and thing, them say, look at the man, this man not no time way I come soon. So look at Westmoreland resident, Negril resident, don't worry about him. Him not come out right now. So let me just read this thing of people so you can hear what really I go on with this. Fears that H3LL Russell, who fled the island after allegedly murdering his girlfriend in Negril in 2017, is poised to be released from prison in the United States, US, and could make his way back to the resort town, are unfounded based on reports out of the US. Russell, who is incarcerated at the Elmira Correctional Facility in New York for an armed robbery committed in the US, recently made a social media post stating that he was poised to be released soon, causing much consternation in Negril, where he is greatly feared. Lol, me a come on me yard, destiny stupid, the God of forward, ready or not, here I come, silly, lol, G, otherwise life goes on when the devil smile, wrote H3LL above a photo of himself smiling with his arms folded across his chest in a white pullover shirt. However, when contact was made with the Elmira Correctional Facility and checks made about any pending release of Russell, a spokesman for the prison told news that he is not slated to be released anytime soon. Here, Russell is here with us at Elmira. The prison official, who didn't provide a name, said, I have checked his information and he is not up for release anytime soon. He is going to be here with us for a very, 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 very long time. A very long time. In addition to being wanted by the local police for killing of his girlfriend and the abduction of her then 3-year-old daughter, Russell is also remembered for the chilling video he posted online posing with several high-powered weapons and boasting about his ability to use them and his willingness to kill. Chano. However, either out of a genuine belief that he will be released soon or just mere wishful thinking, Russell is seemingly unflustered as he concluded his online post by stating, to all my real family them, real friend them, real loved ones, and to all the real G them, I will never forget all the good memories times. In the Negril incident, reports are that shortly after Nadian Dyer, his then 24-year-old girlfriend, and her daughter, Orlando Malcolm, went missing in April 2017. Russell was observed bringing construction material into his house. When he was asked about the unusual activity, he reportedly said that he was constructing a fish tank. However, 2 months later on June 5, 2017, acting on a tip, the police went to Russell's house and breached the door to his room, where they were greeted by a foul smell and blood splatter on the walls. Following a search of the room, a grave was found under the bed covered with concrete. When the grave was dug up, Dyer's body was found. The daughter was not found. Prior to his arrest in New York on February 12, 2018, a video surfaced online showing Russell brandishing at least 2 firearms and telling an unknown female that he is a man with two distinct personas, good and evil. Me is a man who just haunted. You see me girl, you don't understand me girl. Me love laugh and ting, but yo, there is total different sides of me. There is a evil side and there is a good side. Me love you, me really do love you, Russell explained in the video while holding a high-powered weapon close to the camera. At the time of Russell's arrest in the US, a local police source told news that they were unaware that he had fled the island. They subsequently got the confirmation from the US counterparts. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The devil himself, people. Satan himself is this thing. See? And you see what, people? No, honestly, you see what? He managed, people. If you do this thing back in 2017, people, one of the most, I remember this story, people, because I covered this story, people, one of the most gruesome and cruelest thing ever. I managed to flee the island and go into the US. And he never stopped people go over there in an armed robbery. But he's in police custody now. But what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, he make a post, right? Recent post, say he's coming out soon and this and that is where a lot of fear grip residents of Negril because they know how dangerous and thing this thing is. But me know personally, people, and me know this is Jamaica. If him they think him gonna make him we and come back and Negril and start not eat people, him that finish before him even start. Me I tell you this. Zine, and now that this thing do go out there, my viewers and subscribers, I know that the Jamaica, you know what I mean, JCF and thing, in connection with, you know what I mean, the police over in the United States, them do have them thing I deal with this. So I know that once an income man say him I go release people, right at the hands of the police, him I go to Jamaica. Zine, and I nothing like say because him wanted in Jamaica, but him have to serve time for the crime when committed over in the United States of America. But honestly, my viewers and subscribers, this is nothing easy police have to deal with. This is something really hard. This is the devil himself. So up to date, people from 2017, they still can't find the 3-year-old daughter where they do share together. See? But 2 months after him committed the crime by killing his girlfriend at the time, people, she was 24 years old and managed to come to boom and bury her in the house. So if the boy did sleep, the boy was sleeping in there before him fled, people. See? You see, this is the devil himself. When it could get a heart like this from people and mind and mentality, people. Honestly, you see where he was talking, people, and he was talking on the video when posted to the female. And I say, yo, him are the devil and he have two sides, he have good and he have evil. But me not say nothing good in these people. Zine, something like them I need to get rid of. Need not to be a part of society when he, how he manage to get evil things here make all them post and now we are grip fear in our people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Only just sees and he knows. But my viewers and my subscribers, the thing is, no sin now go unpunished. And the thing say, today for me, tomorrow for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And long run, short catch. Him get catch over US now, people. But remember, somebody soon catch him because you see that female, people, she do have family too. She do have friends too. She do have people who do concern and do feel it. See? And that is why when I say, a lot of people are worried on Negril. Them not just worried, say, come out people. You know what I mean? Because them just want to know so them say worried. For the man, them, I mean, even not said too much people. But look here. Make it come and it feel say I saw it a go. Yeah, man, him feel say I saw it a go. For what they do, him feel say I saw it a go. See? The bad man, them done there wait for him. The good one are wait for him. The police, everything are wait for people. So make it feel say I saw it go. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect. And remember to do like, share, comment and subscribe, people, and follow me on IG. You understand? NEWLINK_production official on Facebook and Twitter. Big up on the cyber people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Peace out. Attack. Big up.